be your primal, wild, erotic, sensual self. Your Tantric Nature, an eco-erotic retreat in the Balinese rainforest.
My name is Sarah Belzile, and I'm here with my dear friend and Tantrika sister, Tasneem Hamdani.
Tantra educator, a Kundalini whisperer, and a sexuality coach. And I'm reconnecting with the roots of Tantra, which are based on the scriptures that were revealed, bringing traditional Tantra from the East to Neo-Tantra and sacred sexuality from the West.
This is a 6-day event starting Monday, March 18th, to be held at a really gorgeous eco lodge in the Balinese mountains.
So excited to invite you into a space which is going to be full permission to be your primal, wild, erotic, sensual self while held in gorgeous nature in the beautiful landscape of Bali, which is just such a treat to the senses, and dive into some practices with us that will have you opening up your heart and soul to receiving everything that your desires can actually offer you.
But I am really confident and eager for people to walk away with is this felt sense of erotic abundance. There's something really magical that happens when we connect with nature and one another, and therefore more deeply with ourselves, that we gain this really clear inner knowing that our eroticism belongs to us, and we have infinite access to that erotic energy.